Did you know that pineapple juice is 5 times more effective than your regular cough syrup? Why? Number 1, it reduces inflammation from allergies. 2, it fights asthma and respiratory problems. 3, it dissolves mucus, phlegm, and alleviates your cough. Number 4, it alleviates nasal congestion. Why is it so effective? Because it contains bromelain and other vitamins, which are very effective in alleviating these symptoms. Also, if you use it 3 times a day, you can have it as a juice in the morning, add it to your lunch, and add it to your dinner in some way. It will alleviate your symptoms soon enough. Also, keep in mind it's very good for diabetics, especially those who are having their doses of water on a daily basis. Enjoy your day, and thanks Fern Burke for this suggestion.